Yo, what's up everybody? Is your boy David again and I'm back with another video today. So, maraming nagre-request sa akin na mag-react ako dito sa Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw by Miss Katrina Velarde. Actually, yung last part, yung last chorus papuntang ending, na-react ko na siya at na-post ko sa Facebook, but hindi yung full performance neto. So, this is the first time na maririnig ko yung full performance kasi akala ko walang full performance video kasi wala akong nakita nung time na yun. So, it was just a short video na galing sa TikTok na nireact ko, but that was it. Pero ito yung first talaga na makikita ko ng buo yung performance na Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw. And grabe, like ito yung pinaka siguro or by far arguably isa sa pinaka mapapawaw ka talaga dito. And partida may bagong tahi pa siya dito. And yun nga, parang nung first nakita ko sa reaction, nung gumawa ko ng reaction, parang I was also worried and concerned nung hinawakan niya dito sa may gilid na I believe yun yung parang may tahi. But anyway, so let's enjoy the full performance and yeah, let's just be mesmerized dito sa galing ni Miss Katrina. So if bago kayo dito, please do subscribe and follow me on my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram kasi doon may mga updates and may mga uploads din ako doon. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Sobrang niya dito, sexy, sexy ng suot niya, 'di ba? Nakaupo pa yan, ha? Grabe talaga yung clarity ng boses eh. Grabe! Nice! Grabe talaga to. Ito na. Woo! Nakakakilabot. Woo! Key change. Ito may parang pito dito eh. Ayun, Regine. That was definitely a money note, bro. Grabe. Ayaw paawat. Nakakainis. Grabe. Bro. Grabe. Okay guys, alam nyo guys, okay. Siguro yeah, this was an epic performance, no. Grabe, nakakabilib talaga, no. Even though I already watched it a few times tapos nagawa na ako ng reaction ng short na reaction video dito. Hindi pa ako makamove on doon sa yung parang may pito na part na talagang definitely that was the money note na everyone was not expecting, no? Grabe talaga yon. And I think may extra motivation si Miss Katrina to make this as best as possible na version. It's because it's Morissette's song, no? Alam nyo naman na marami pa rin up until now na binabash pa rin si Miss Katrina or kinukumpara talaga sila ng mga fans nila, na yung mga fans na mga hindi open-minded ba, yung mga fans na talagang super fanatic na parang nababaliw na sila sa comments, no? So siguro may extra motivation doon si Miss Katrina na talagang super gandahan ito, na talagang walang masabi yung mga yung mga bashers, no, na hindi naman lahat, no, but let's face it and let's be honest, no, na meron talaga sa isang fan club, no, meron talagang super fanatic na parang pag hindi sila fan, talagang binabash sila kahit hindi naman sila mga ganun ba. So I think may extra motivation dito sa kantang to, and kung basher ka talaga, kahit gaano kagaling yung version, may masasabi ka. Kasi doon nga sa pinost ko sa Facebook, meron pa din, no? Meron pa din na mas maganda mas okay yung version ni Mori. Now, let's just learn to appreciate, no? Hindi naman natin kinukumpara si Miss Katrina kay Mori, no? It's an honor nga na kinanta ni Miss Katrina yung kanta ni Miss Morissette, 'di ba? So, dapat masaya tayo kung fan ka ni Miss Morissette, dapat masaya kayo na kinanta siya ng isang Miss Katrina Velarde, no? So, if hindi nyo trip yung niya, so wag nyo na lang, scroll up na lang, wag nyo na panoorin, ganun. But, man, this was incredible. And, legit, elite talaga to. Elite singer. No? Definitely a vocal athlete, no? One of the top vocalists dito. Very skilled kasi si Miss Katrina, no? Very skilled talaga siya. Accept it or not, believe it or not, she's one of the best skilled talaga na vocalist dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. So, wala kang magagawa dyan, no? She proves time and time again, no, na she can do better, no? If merong magaling, she can do better, ganun. So, magaling talaga si Miss Katrina. So, anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.